Unfortunately, the home's exterior siding had become a patchwork from numerous repairs and alterations over the years. Plus, extensive rot, pest damage, and the need for earthquake retrofitting and waterproofing upgrades necessitated removal of the original material. Now, you'd pay a huge premium if you could even find the original replacement. Consequently, we sought to find an attractive, durable, and cost-effective alternative for this special project, and we discovered Boral TruExterior Siding and Trim. Their TruExterior V-Rustic Siding profile matches to the T the siding that was originally used to side this charming home's exterior.
The beauty of the product is it looks and fastens like wood. So if you want to maintain that historical look, if you do want to put a face nail in the product or fasten close to the edge, you can still do that. Paint over the top of it, and you're going to have a siding product that looks just like the wood that was removed from the house or the wood that was installed originally 100 years ago. With simple cleaning and typical maintenance, you'll have a very easy product to live with rather than worrying about failure and rot. Do you have bugs eating it? Is moisture causing failure? Is it checking? Are you looking for points of failure, or are you just enjoying the wonderful exterior aesthetic of your house? That's what we try to achieve with the TruExterior Siding and Trim products. We want to make sure you get the look and the performance that you want from a product. It'll meet all those needs and more. And then going to the contractor, the professional, not only does it give them that sense of accomplishment with achieving this fantastic look with the proud reveals and the nice V-Rustic profiles, it's easy to cut, it's easy to fasten. It's not going to be hard to get on the wall, nor is it going to be impossible to get those warranties that a lot of people have. It's not impossible to install the product properly and do a great job and achieve what you want to achieve with the product.
I think I like most about the Boral siding is it exactly matches the old-time siding that was on our house. And it's made from eco-friendly products. So being recycled material, but giving the old-time look that we wanted here it really fit our project wonderfully.
Learn more about Boral TruExterior Siding and Trim by visiting their website at boralamerica.com or check them out on social media.